Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to get to the brand new Doom Buggy car into the lobby map, which is this map. If you didn't know, you could bring it into any other map, including this one. Let's get straight into it. So, these are the items you're gonna need. MRE pack, don't need it yet. Put it on your side, save it for later. And this ray gun. So, I mean, pretty broke, so don't. Grab this. Alright, now once you're up, click the button. It'll go straight to space if you know. And I'm going straight into the map. Alright. Now that in here, before we get into it, we're gonna explore the map real quick a little bit. Oh yeah, if you don't know how to drive the Doom Buggy, you're gonna want to drive. So this right here, this is the area. That's the area right there. And we got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 Doom Buggies. And a couple ramps if you want to play around. So if you want, you can come over to this little hole and you get a free boombox that plays brand new music. It's for this thing. Get the crap out of here though. We don't need that. Well, that's for a different video. Alright, come on. But like I said, you're gonna need to want to how to drive this, or else you couldn't. Yeah, well, barely. You don't know how to drive. So make sure you grab out your ray gun, turn it to the blue level, and point it straight up until you go all the way up outside the map. So once you go outside the map, you'll see the moon, 3 dots right there. We're gonna need to get to the 3 dots. So you're gonna need to point it straight towards the 3 dots in 2, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Alright. Now we're going down. I'm gonna hold it down again. But this time point it straight down a bit, I bet, probably. Oh shoot, okay. I don't know where. I can't really point it. Straight down right there. Alright, I made it, but I'm spinning. That's not a good call, because that means the map is not loaded yet. That's not good. Because since the map has not loaded. Alright, there we go. Now it's loaded. So as you can see, you would think you could just drive straight down and then use the ray gun to go down. But that won't work. That'll just launch you straight up, and I'm not even going to try. So if you want, you can stay up here, you can drive around, because there's a barrier right here. You can drive around, enjoy the view, I guess. But if you want to get down there, you're going to want to go straight. You see this building right in the power plant area, whatever this is. You're going to go straight towards this building. As you can see, it's like right next to the mountain. Don't drive into the building. There's like a spot where you could fall down. Alright, this is where I would say eat the MRE pack. Alright, now that you've done that, drive straight towards this until you fall down. And then once you're falling, grab this out and point it straight in. And you might go flying into the water. If you do, I'm sorry. I have to go straight up so I don't die. And now we're in. Before that, we go straight down. Make sure I don't die. No. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm probably stuck. I'm stuck. Yep. I knew it. There we go. Alright, so you might get the hang of it. If not, then you might fall or hurt yourself in the act, because you could hit your hand on something while trying to do pretty hard. Don't get stuck. Alright, now as you can see, we made it down. You can drive it around anywhere, but I suggest don't drive around in forest, because if you go straight forward over there, that's the chicken den which one will fall to your death. I suggest don't go into any map with this because it is pretty easy to fall and die. But if you don't mind, you should be able to survive with a gun, like a revolver. But to show you I'm not lying, go into any map with this, go straight down to the river. Please don't get stuck here, alright? I don't really worry if I lose the vehicle. I can get another one pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Carefully go down. Alright, now when you're falling down, be careful, you could get stuck. Alright. I made it down, but first I get the flashlight. Now, I don't want to really die, so I'm kind of just gonna drive around a little area. If you were wondering, yes, you can go straight back up. It's pretty hard, but you could kind of fly with this, actually. If you want, you could also go straight up here. You know, just fly around here. It's pretty safe when you are not over here. But I can't go over there because I might touch that and die. Ooh. That's bad. Go straight this way, and that's better. And if you were wondering, no, you cannot run them over and kill them. And no, you can't just drive straight up. It's probably will get you stuck. So let's try to get out of here real quick. I have an idea. What? Don't just get. Okay. So I'm pretty sure you can get out of here with the plunger, but it's pretty. So what you're gonna put it out here. Okay. Maybe don't do it, because your car will start going crazy. Alright, there we go. I'm stuck. Yeah, I can't get out. Oh, thank God you can't just drive straight into it. Because I'll probably be dead. I'm not trying to die. Alright, I can't go any further. Mimic's right there, so I could probably die and die. Please don't blow my car away. Alright. That's not the right way, but it still works. So I need to find a pickaxe. No. There's no pickaxes or really anything right now. I'm gonna head back over because I saw. Oops! I saw okay, a box. Okay, this is also. Oh, it gives you full-on chicken. I needed that. Just give me chicken leg. I'll take that too. I'll take that. They're right there. For now, I'm gonna get these crystals real quick because I don't have my daily crystals. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have looked. Can I flash the flash bomb? There we go, I got a crystal. There we go, perfect. Arrow, not bad. I can't take it. Hurry up and try to take the car through. That might not be good. Shoot. Look at you turn real quick. Okay. There we go, flip my car. Okay. I don't think I can get out of here. Go through, it won't fit, it's too big. Nope, I'm stuck now. I can't make a U-turn. I'm cooked. Okay. I have an idea. Might not work, but it's worth a shot. I could try it. There we go. Now let me try making a U-turn back. I did a flip. I don't want to do a flip. Did I grab it by the wrong? I did. My fault. It's my fault. Oh, that was close. Woo! Don't boost towards it. Oh, yes, I made it in. I don't know how I did. Did it. It's a glitch. Alright. Alright. If you enjoyed... Oh, sorry. If you enjoyed this... Did somebody join? No, okay. If you enjoyed this video on how to get... If you enjoyed this video on how to get the Doom Buggy straight outside of the moon map, well, make sure you leave a like, and I hope you subscribe. Peace out.